How to create a board on your Pinterest. Hello everyone, welcome in this video. I'm gonna show you today how to do this. Just follow this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open your Pinterest like this. After this, as everyone knows, it will open directly on your homepage. Right now, come here to create. Come to board and you will choose here the title. For example, the title, I don't know, just I will say something like this, I don't know. And here you will add the collaborator and for example the visibility if you want to keep this board secret or not. And then when you finish, click next and you have to add picture from here. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.